planning your future or merencanakan masa depan. Okay, now as usual, ini aja. I need some of you to practice this conversation, and after that, we will discuss the content of the conversation. Okay, this one. Of you who wants to try to practice this? No one. Syahrul Mubarak. Halo, Syahrul Mubarak. Yes, sir. Okay. Syahrul Mubarak, and the second one is Nur Mutia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Syahrul Mubarak, I want you to practice as Alex. And Nur Mutia, I want you to practice as Susan. Okay, do it now, please.
Okay. So, what are you doing today after graduation, Susan?
Well, I've saved some money, and I think I'd really like to travel.
Like you. That sounds exciting.
Yeah. Then I plan to get a job and my own apartment.
Oh, you are not going to live at home?
No, I don't want to live with my parents, not after I start to work.
I know what you mean.
What about you, Alex? Do you have any plan yet?
I'm going to get a job and live at home. I'm broke and I want to pay off my student loan.
Okay, thank you. Syahrul Mubarak and Nur Mutia.
Yes, sir.
And the next, Fajariyah and Rida Ataya. Fajariyah and Rida Ataya. Hello, Fajariyah, are you here? Is Fajariyah here? Anyone knows?
No one.
Rida Ataya? Rida Ataya. Nggak ada juga. Putri Sulastri Permatasari.
I'm here.
Okay, Putri Sulastri, and the second one is Aldi Septianur. Oh ya, Fajariyah ada ya. Oke. Berarti Fajariyah and Putri Sulastri. Halo? Halo?
Yes, sir.
Ya, Fajariyah?
So what are you going to do after graduation, Susan? Well, I've saved some
Oke, kita
money,
skip saja Fajariyah.
and I think
Aldi Septianur
I
Rizky.
shall like to travel. Lucky you. That sounds exciting.
Is not here, sir. Ada ya? Enggak. Ya, sorry. Kemudian Umi Maisarah. Umi Maisarah. Halo? Umi Maisara, ada nggak? Nggak ada juga.
Nggak ada kayaknya.
Iit,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So the second practice will be practiced by Putri Sulastri and Iit. Putri Sulastri, I want you to practice as Alex, and Iit, I want you to practice as Susan. Do it now, please.
So what are you going to do after graduation, Susan?
Well, I've been saving some money, and I think I'd really like to travel.
Lucky you. That sounds exciting.
Yeah, they plan to get a job in my own apartment.
You are not going to live at home?
No, I don't want to live with my parents. No, after I start to work.
I know what you mean.
What about you, Alex? Do you have a new plan yet?
I'm going to get a job and live at home. I'm broke. I want to pay off my student loan.
Okay, good. Thank you, Putri Sulastri and Iit.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see for the next. Muhammad Rafi and Anida Rahmi. Muhammad Rafi,
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Rafi Zidan and Anida Rahmi. Anida Rahmi. Ada nggak? Nggak ada ya? Wina. Halo, Wina.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, Muhammad Rafi, I want you to practice as Alex, and Wina, I want you to practice as Susan. Do it now, please.
So what are you going to do after graduation, Susan?
Well, I've saved some money, and I think I'd really like to travel.
Lucky you. That sounds exciting.
Yeah, then I plan to get a job and my own apartment.
Oh, you're not going to live at home?
No, I don't want to leave my parents. Not after I start to work.
I know what you mean.
What about you, Alex? Do you have plans yet?
I'm going to get a job and I'll live at home. I'm broke and I want to pay off my student loan.
Well, I have saved some money.
Muhammad Rafi Zidan udah selesai? Oh, kayaknya keputus ya?
Sudah, Pak, tadi.
Okay. Thank you. Muhammad Rafi Zidan and Wina, and for the last, Ayu Putriana Lestari and Aksa Laili Fitria. Aksa Laili
tidak ada, Pak.
Fitria nggak ada juga ya?
Iya.
Sama kayak tadi. Ya. Sama kayak si Aldi. Saya juga nggak ada. Ayu Putriana Lestari ada?
Ada, Pak.
Ayu. Halo?
Hadir, Pak.
Ya, Ayu Putriana Lestari dan Ahmad Yulianto, ada nggak tadi? Nggak ada ya?
Ada, Mister.
Oh ya, Ahmad Yulianto dan ya. Oke, Ahmad Yulianto as Alex and Ayu Putriana as Susan. Okay, please.
So, what are you going to do after graduation, Susan?
Well, I save some money and I think I really like to travel.
Like you. That sounds exciting.
Yeah, then I plan to get a job and my own apartment.
Oh, you're not going to live at home?
No, I don't want to live with my parents. No, after I start to work.
I know what you mean.
What about you, Alex? Do you have any plans yet?
I'm going to get a job and live at home. I'm broke and I want to pay off my student loan.
Okay, thank you. Ahmad Yulianto and Ayu Putriana Lestari. Okay. So once again, this is a conversation, simple conversation about plan. And as you can see here, the title of the conversation is planning your future, merencanakan masa yang akan datang. Okay, now let's see the conversation line by line. And now let's see Alex line for the first. So what are you going to do after graduation, Susan? Okay, what is this in bahasa Indonesia?
Jadi apa yang akan kamu lakukan setelah lulusan itu, Susan?
Jadi, apa yang akan kamu lakukan setelah lulus nanti, Susan? Oke. Alex asked Susan by using to be, going to. Okay. What are you going to do? To be, and then going to. So it means that Alex asked Susan about her plan that is almost realized by her. Jadi Alex ini pakai to be going to karena Alex menanyakan rencana yang hampir pasti diwujudkan, dilakukan oleh si oleh si Susan. Okay, and because the question is using to be going to, then the answer, of course, should be the same. And the answer is, well, I've saved some money, and I think I really like to travel. What is it in bahasa Indonesia?
Ya, saya telah menghemat uang dan saya pikir saya benar-benar ingin bekerja.
Bekerja? Well, I've saved some money, and I think I really like to travel. Gak ada kata bekerja di situ.
Iya, saya menyimpan beberapa uang dan saya pikir saya akan
Okay. Ya, setelah lulus ya, saya telah menabung. I've saved some money. Saya telah menabung, and I think I really like to travel. Dan kayaknya saya akan jalan-jalan. I really like to travel. Saya akan jalan-jalan. Okay, and then lucky you. That sounds exciting. What is it in bahasa Indonesia?
Kamu beruntung.
Oke.
Kedengarannya sangat menarik.
Oke, lucky you. Beruntungnya kamu. Kayaknya menyenangkan, kayaknya menarik. Yeah. Then I plan to get a job and my own apartment. Then I plan to get a job and my own apartment. What is it in bahasa Indonesia?
Ya, kemudian saya berencana mendapatkan sebuah pekerjaan dan mendapatkan apartemen sendiri.
Oke. Ya, kemudian saya berencana untuk dapat atau mencari pekerjaan dan punya apartemen sendiri. Kemudian, oh, you're not going to live at home? What is it?
Oh, kamu tidak akan tinggal di rumah.
Oke. Kamu nggak akan tinggal di rumah? Maksudnya itu tinggal di rumah itu bersama orang tua ya? Oke, di sini Alex di sini juga pakai to be going to. Oke, next. No, I don't want to live with my parents. I don't want to live with my parents. Not after I start to work. What? You're not going to live at home? No.
Tidak ingin sama orang tua. Tidak setelah dia memulai kerja.
Okay, no, I don't want to live with my parents. Saya nggak mau tinggal dengan orang tua saya. Not after I start to work, apalagi setelah saya kerja. Oke, apalagi setelah saya kerja nanti. Karena budaya di sana ya, itu tinggal bersama orang tua, lebih-lebih setelah punya kerja, itu adalah sesuatu yang apa ya, yang bisa dikatakan ya memalukan gitu ya, karena anggapan orang udah gede kok masih sama orang tua gitu. Nah, jadi itu budayanya kayak gitu di sana. Okay, let's continue. I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Kamu
Saya
tahu
maksudmu.
Oke. Ya, saya tahu maksudmu. Maksudnya itu tadi kan ya, yang terkait dengan budaya tadi. Kalau udah kerja, nggak pas lagi kalau tinggal bersama dengan orang tua. Oke. And what about you, Alex? Do you have any plans yet?
Bagaimana denganmu, Alex? Apakah kamu punya rencana?
Kalau kamu gimana, Alex? Apakah kamu sudah punya rencana? I'm going to get a job and live at home. I'm broke and I want to pay off my student loan. Saya apa ini?
Saya akan mencari sebuah pekerjaan dan tinggal di rumah.
Oke.
Punya uang dan saya ingin membayar semua SPP saya.
Oke. Saya akan mencari pekerjaan dan tinggal di rumah. Tinggal di rumah ini artinya masih tinggal bersama orang tuanya ya. Alasannya kenapa? Alasannya I'm broke and I want to pay off my student loan. Saya bokeh, saya nggak punya uang. Dan saya ingin membayar tunggakan sekolah saya. So, we can see two different things regarding to plan in this conversation. The first one is kesannya itu menyenangkan setelah lulus langsung senang-senang dapat kerja, punya apartemen. Sedangkan yang satunya terkesan agak-agak menderita gitu ya kayaknya ya. Abis lulus cari kerja, terus tinggal di rumah, terus nyicil bayar utang. Tuh. Okay. And some expressions that we can learn from these conversations are beberapa ungkapan yang bisa kita pelajari dari percakapan ini apa? What expression can we learn from this conversation if we want to talk about plan? Especially when we do a conversation.
Mencari tujuan.
Ungkapan yang bisa kita pakai saat ngobrol tentang rencana itu yang pertama ini ya. What are you going to do after bla bla bla. Misalnya, what are you going to do after tarawih. Nah, what are you going to do after tarawih? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan setelah salat tarawih? Itu rencana kan? Saya rencananya I'm going to, karena pertanyaannya what are you going to do? Then we can answer with I am going to do my homework, misalnya. Okay, so that's the first expression. Kita bisa membuka atau mengawali obrolan dengan ungkapan seperti itu ya. Kemudian masih terkait dengan menanyakan rencana, kita bisa gunakan yang ini. Ini. Do you have any plan? Do you have any plan? Apakah kamu punya rencana? Bisa pakai itu. Do you have any plan to bla 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 bla? Contohnya, do you have any plan to visit your family in this Lebaran? Do you have any plan to visit your family in this Lebaran? Apakah kamu punya rencana untuk mengunjungi keluargamu pada Lebaran ini? Nah, itu. So that's what we can learn from this conversation. Sedangkan kalau yang lain-lainnya itu ya ngalir aja ya percakapannya. Okay, so this is the conversation once again about plan, especially the plan that is that can be realized, almost can be realized. Rencana yang hampir bisa dipastikan itu terrealisasi. So, for that kind of plan, we can use going to be going to, not will. Kalau will itu ya 50-50 ya, itu rencana bukan rencana juga. Sedangkan kalau going to, itu sesuatu yang hampir pasti akan dilakukan, hampir pasti akan diwujudkan, dilakukan. Oke. Berikutnya, nah ini, kalau ingin lihat polanya, kita pakai verb infinitive. What are you going to do? I'm not going to get, I plan to get, atau I don't. Kalau negatifnya I don't. Kemudian I want to, negatifnya I don't want to, I hope to, I'd like to, I'd love to. Jadi here, when we are asked by this question, ketika kita ditanya dengan pertanyaan ini, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? First, there are some expressions that we can use to answer this question. Ada beberapa ungkapan yang bisa kita pakai untuk menjawabnya. We can use I'm going to bla 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 bla. I plan to bla bla bla. I want to, I hope to, I'd like to, I'd love to. Atau kebalikannya, I'm not going to, I don't plan to, I don't want to, I don't hope to, I'd like not to, I'd love not to. For example, what are you going to do after graduation? I am going to get a job. Atau I plan to get a job. I want to get a job. Atau I hope to get a job. Atau I'd like to get a job. Atau I'd love to get a job. Nah, itu sama ya. Maknanya sama. Sesuatu yang sebisa mungkin, bukan cuma sekedar rencana aja, tapi ada rencana yang hampir pasti akan dilakukan. Atau kebalikannya, what are you going to do after graduation? I'm not going to get a job. Atau I don't plan to get a job. I don't want to get a job. I don't hope to get a job. I'd like not to get a job. I'd love not to get a job. Nah, itu jadi seperti itu. Which answer is the best? Nggak ada ya. So everything depends on you. Everything depends on ourselves. Semuanya mau pakai versi yang mana? Jawabannya versi manakah yang terbaik? Nggak ada. Semuanya terserah, tergantung kita maunya pakai yang mana. Oke? What are you going to do? Pakai yang pertama, kedua, ketiga, atau yang lainnya. Itu sama aja ya. So, once again, that's how to tell or how to ask about plan, especially the plans that almost can be realized or can be achieved or can be done. And up to here, do you have any question? Hello? Hello? Do you have any question?
No, maybe.
Ada? Nggak ada? No? No, sir. Okay.
No, sir.
It's quite clear, yes? Cukup jelas ya?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. enough for you, then I want to try.